how to choose the right fire safety stick. So, you've seen the key advantages for the fire safety stick and know that there are various models available, but you're still a little unsure about which one is right for you. Of course, every case in terms of potential fire risks, where the fire safety stick will be installed, and other factors will vary. So ultimately, you will need to make that decision yourself. But hopefully, we can give you some good pointers here. Well, first choice is what size stick. There are two options based on the minimum discharge times, either 50 seconds or 100 seconds. Both versions come with a free mounting clip. And remember, the fire safety stick, like all handheld extinguishers, are for small fires before they become too established. Now, in the vast majority of cases, you will extinguish those small fires well within the 50 seconds, so that'll be fine. But remember, if the fire was too big to safely tackle yourself, and it's a confined space, then you could just leave the activated stick in the room as you escape to safety, closing the door behind you. The stick will still continue to discharge until it completely fills that space with a firefighting agent. Now, another use for this feature is for chimney fires in the home or separate log burners. Of course, here, the 100-second model will discharge double the amount of vapour, and so will be even more effective. Is it being installed in a combine harvester? Well, here, if there was a fire, it's often in the internal thresher unit. Now, in which case, it's best to activate the stick and throw it into the unit, which would otherwise have very poor access. So then it can repress the fire until the fire service have arrived to ensure the fire is completely out and it's safe. But there is another thing to think about before you jump for a single 100-second stick. Consider the flexibility by having two 50s instead. You see, that way, if the fire was completely out with that single 50, then it still leaves an unused spare 50-second stick. But if the fire was a little larger and you did need the full 100 seconds, well then you have that second 50-second stick ready to use. Okay, so you've decided whether you need a single, or maybe two, 50s, or that a single 100 is better for you. Now think about the location or the type of environment. The standard FSS 50 and FSS 100 are ideal for most domestic situations, in the home, the garage, or even in the car. But you can upgrade to the utility version for both sizes. Now, this adds a tamper tag to secure the bottom striker cap, as well as an extra mounting clip, so you have two. The utility version is ideal if it's going to a vehicle that might bounce around a bit over more extreme terrains, such as a motorhome or a caravan, and of course any agricultural heavy machinery. But also consider it for offshore boats too. Remember, the key thing is that the tamper tag ensures that the striker cap doesn't accidentally fall off during those bumps and vibrations. Because if you lose a striker cap, you won't be able to activate the stick in an emergency. Again, the utility version is available in both the 50 and the 100-second minimum discharge times. Now, if you've already bought your standard versions of the sticks, you can still adapt those units with an upgrade kit available separately. And then we have the commercial, or what we call the Pro versions. Now, these are for non-domestic locations. So yes, like commercial vehicles, plant machinery again, and yes, potentially in non-domestic premises. Basically, any location where other people, other than the direct owner or responsible person, may need to use it. The Pro 1 version comes with a tamper tag, an extra clip like utility version, but also has an installation date sticker on the handle, as well as an inspection marker on the tamper tag. In addition, we also have a free download of a PDF sheet used to document the necessary visual checks and inspections required in various commercial situations. Now, for the Pro 2 version, it's just like the Pro 1, but also comes with a vinyl self-adhesive fire extinguisher sign, ideal for commercial vehicles, for example. And finally, there's a Pro 3 version, which instead of having the vinyl self-adhesive sign from the Pro 2, comes with a rigid glow-in-the-dark wall sign that's suitable for building premises. Again, these commercial units are available fitted to the 50 or the 100-second models. And yes, like utility version, you can also purchase upgrade kits to convert an existing standard stick to either the Pro 1, Pro 2 or Pro 3 versions. Well, I hope that's helped you choose the right model for your specific situation. If in doubt, then please contact us here at the Fire Safety Stick.